And that's only because we set it up in the right companies, the right contracts. We made sure it was in an income producing contract that gave them the highest roll-up rate. Hey there, I'm John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. Want to go kind of backtrack to one of the clients that I told you about earlier, where they kind of spread out 2 annuity contracts to take income at different times. I never actually told you how much they were going to take for income. So let's talk about that. This client had $400,000. Okay, they wanted to put it into an annuity contract that gave them guaranteed income at different intervals during their retirement. Now, one of those contracts, of course, would give them a ton of income between years 2, 8, 9, and 10. The second one gave them the most income if they waited 10 years. And so they knew they were going to wait at least 10 years for one of them, but they didn't know if they would wait 10 years for the first one. So what we did is we allocated $250,000 into one annuity contract, and then we allocated $150,000 into a second annuity contract. And of course, the second annuity contract would give them income in the amount of $25,000 per year, guaranteed for the rest of their life if they waited 10 years. And that was only from $150,000. Wow. So the first one though, $250,000, if they waited 10 years on that one, they actually would get $40,000 per year in guaranteed income. That is huge. So basically $400,000 is giving this client $65,000 a year in guaranteed income for the rest of their life if they were to wait to activate both contracts after 10 years. So, and if they decided to, activate one of them a little bit earlier, then of course the income might be a little bit less. Maybe it'd be $55,000 a year if they decided to take income from the first one, on 5 or 6 years instead of 10 years. So that's what's so nice about these. They're so flexible. You can take income earlier, you can take it later. But this person, they're going to activate these 2 contracts, okay? $65,000 a year. What does that look like if they take that income for 30 years? You do the math. That's $2 million from $400,000 investment into 2 annuity contracts. That's huge. Huge. And that's only because we set it up in the right companies, the right contracts. We made sure it was in an income producing contract that gave them the highest roll-up rate and the highest withdrawal rate. All of those things are so, so important. A lot of times people will just throw you into an annuity, they'll sell you something, and they're like, that was great commission. I'll sell them another annuity in 5 or 6 years, and we'll actually move into something that they actually need. That way I can make a double commission. Well, unfortunately, a lot of guys will work that way, but not for me. If I'm going to have you as a client for the next 40, 50 years, I want to make sure you're happy with me in the next 40 or 50 years. All right. So I'm going to throw you into a contract that I think would be the absolute best for you, but you don't have to take my word for it. Book a call. Okay. Get on my calendar. There's a link below this video and I'll show you everything. Okay. And if you don't believe that, go to my website, johnstevenson.com, and look for yourself. You'll notice that I'm an open book. I show all the annuities that's available. You can search them yourself, and then you decide if you want to reach out to me. Okay, it's really that simple. But for me, transparency is key. You got to be able to search. You got to be able to find annuities that are out there. And then once you get that information, then you can reach out to me and say, hey, John, let's get together. Let's talk. Okay. That for me is really the best way to sell annuities, is to really let them sell themselves. Let the client find the annuity. And then of course, work with the agent that's going to take care of them the most. So I hope I'm that agent. I'd love to help you. Again, there is a link below this video. Go straight to my calendar. We'll get on a Zoom call. We'll talk about your unique goals, your needs, and exactly what you're looking for. If you're looking for guaranteed income, great. We'll look at those. If you're looking for growth, we'll look at those annuities, okay? All of these annuities will protect you against market fluctuations. So if the market goes down, you're not going to lose a dime. So again, I hope you enjoy these videos. As you can see, I'm actually kind of up in the woods here, enjoying the beautiful, beautiful fall colors. And the leaves are just starting to turn, and it's just beautiful. So I hope you enjoy these videos as much as I enjoy making them. And I hope you hope you subscribe, hope you share, hope you comment. And again, we'll see you in the next video. Hey there, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've got questions, please share them in the comments below. We love hearing from you.